Hi, so today I wanted to compare mascaras, and I have some of my favorite mascaras and some that I don't like so much actually, and I have my favorite mascara. Anyway. The mascaras I want to compare are They're Real by Benefit, and this is one that I like. And then I have the Innisfree Dual Cara. This is two mascaras in one. So this is the skinny mascara and this is the jumbo mascara. And my favorite of all time so far now is the Jumbo Mascara. And another mascara that I just got recently is the High Impact Mascara by Clinique. So all of them are in black. So right now I'm wearing the Clinique Mascara, High Impact Mascara. And so this is what it looks like. So it is a very dense brush. It is the densest brush out of all of them because I can compare it to the others. Look, this is the It's Real brush versus the Clinique brush. Can you see that the Clinique one is a lot denser? And I'll compare it to the Jumbo. So this is the Jumbo Mascara brush compared to the Clinique Mascara wand brush. And I just feel that, like, when I'm putting it on, I'm not sure, like, is it actually going on? Because the brush is so dense that I feel like it's not actually coating my lashes, but just pushing my lashes back. If that makes any sense. I don't know, but that's what I feel like. So I don't really feel like it's coating my lashes, so I feel like I have to go through it more times. That's how I feel. Anyways, I'm going to take my makeup off, well, my eye makeup off, and then I'll show you how it looks nude. So I wiped off all my eye makeup, and so this is what I look without anything on my eyes. And on one eye, I'll put the Clinique High Definition Mascara.
I'm looking at the viewfinder as I do it, which is tricky because I'm afraid I might smudge my eyes.
Okay, so that for me is one coat. Come closer. Okay, and that's it. One coat of the Clinique High Definition Mascara and nothing on this eye. Now let's compare it to the It's Real Mascara. So this is the Benefit It's Real Mascara, and so let's compare it to the Clinique High Definition Mascara. And it is a plastic mascara. Okay, so again, I consider that to be one coat. I feel like the Clinique gives a more feathery kind of look, and with the It's Real, it does better with more coats. Let's put another coat on of each. Okay, sorry if you hear my breathing. I don't know why, but I was holding my breath as I put on mascara. Okay. Okay, so I have the Clinique High Definition on this side and the Benefit It's Real on this side. So let me know which one you like better. And for both, I've got two coats on the upper lashes. So my feeling is that the Clinique does lengthen more, but it doesn't curl. And I have curly lashes already, so it kind of, I feel like my lashes became straighter, but then they look longer. And then with the It's Real, it gave more volume and didn't do as much in terms of lengthening, but it does keep the curl that I already had. So let's see what happens with the Innisfree as well. Okay, so I've got the Clinique High Definition Mascara and 2 coats of it on this eye, and so I left that there. And now I'm going to put the Clinique Jumbo Mascara on this eye, and let's start with 1 coat. And so the brush is like this, and it tends to clump on the end, so I go like that. This is what it looks like. So it's like a kind of curved mascara, but it has that ball at the end, kind of like the Givenchy mascara. You know which one I'm talking about? Okay, so that's 1 coat of the Innisfree glossy, not glossy, but it is very glossy, the Innisfree Jumbo Mascara, and 2 coats of the Clinique High Definition Mascara. So let's put 2 coats of the Innisfree Mascara. I personally like the Innisfree better because it's also more black and glossy, the formula. Now, the It's Real and the Clinique mascaras, they wash off. No, they don't wash off. They come off with oil or like makeup removing wipes or something like that. The Innisfree mascaras don't come off with oil. They come off with warm water. So it's a technology that even Dior uses now, and just with hot water it just kind of wipes off, and then you just go like this on your lashes and it comes off. So now I'm gonna take off the Clinique mascara because I don't want to wash my whole face, because to take off the Innisfree, basically you have to like wash your face. So instead I'm just gonna take off the Clinique mascara and compare it to the Innisfree Skinny Mascara. That's what it is. Okay, so I'm going to compare it to the Innisfree Skinny Mascara. Okay, so I took off my makeup, and so this eye has nothing on, and this has the Innisfree Jumbo Mascara on. I'm going to compare. Anyway, let's put on the Innisfree Skinny Mascara that a lot of people say they love. It's such a thin, it's a really, really, really thin wand. They say 0.5 millimeters or something. So you can see that it goes on like almost hardly doing anything, and so that's good for students or people who want to, you know, look like they're really not wearing anything, but they are, and then they can fool their teachers, because maybe at school they're not allowed to wear makeup, which, you know, a lot of, especially in Asian schools, you're not allowed to wear makeup. So, or you're just kind of like want to try out mascara, but you don't want to look like you're wearing mascara. So this is the kind of mascara you buy if you don't want to look like you're wearing mascara. Let's put on 2 coats of it.
So, do I look weird with 2 different kinds of eyes? I think this eye looks bigger and this eye looks smaller. Actually, on camera, one of my eyes do look a little smaller than the other, but I think it's usually this one that looks smaller than the other.
So there we are. I can't speak anymore. There we are. My comparison of They're Real Mascara by Benefit, the Clinique High Definition, and the Innisfree Jumbo and the Innisfree Skinny Mascara. So my least favorite is the Skinny and my most favorite is the Jumbo. And you know what? I actually am liking the Clinique High Definition Mascara. And I like their real mascara. So all of them, you know, are quite good except for the Skinny. But I do think that this is good for students who don't want to look like they're wearing makeup. It's for people who don't want to look like they're wearing mascara. So that would be good for them. So if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. And thank you so much. Bye.